Alright, good morning history buffs, history lovers. Welcome to another episode of History by Bike. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Manila. Sama natin si Matt. Okay, hiram tayo ng bike niya ngayon. Dito tayo pupunta sa mga neoclassical structures ng Manila, which is yung National Museum of Anthropology and National Museum of Natural History. And yan, sila yung magiging topic natin ngayon for our new episode. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is History by Bike. We will be covering the neoclassical buildings in Manila. Ride out tayo with Matt. Nabalitaan lang din natin na bukas na yung area dito sa may Maria Orosa for the public. So titingnan na natin yung bagong itsura niya ngayon, kung ano na yung makikita natin dyan.
Sino si Pepsi?
Sino nga ba yun?
Ito na yung bagong ano pala. Okay.
So nilipat nila, ayun na siya, no? Sentinel of Freedom. Andun, sa gitna doon. Gitna doon. Tara, kita natin.
Ito. Okay, sige.
So ito yung statue. Supposedly sila Lapu-Lapu yan, di ba? Pero ang official name niya Sentinel of Freedom eh. Sentinel of Freedom yung pangalan niya. Ayan. So ito yung Sentinel of Freedom na statue. Nandito na siya ulit. So newly bagong landscape design dito sa area ng Rizal Park, which is administered ng National Museum. So yan siya, National Museum of Anthropology, National Museum of Natural History. At ito yung bantayog na kung tawagin ay the Sentinel of Freedom. So actually regalo yan siya. So a gift from the Korea Freedom League and Pungsan Microtech Philippine Incorporated. So the statue of the Sentinel of Freedom, then poem, dedicated siya on February 5, 2004. So may 10 years na rin tong statue niya. Ito yung bagong lagay na marker 2022. Well, nung in-unveil to, andyan ulit. Mr. Matthew Lopez, thank you for lending your bike.
Pleasure. Always been a pleasure.
Ayan. Dati, nandun siya. Merong raised platform doon. Siya nakalagay.
Ano diba, skating ba yun? Ito pala.
Nung 70s yung skating rin.
70s ba yun?
Oo, 70s.
Tinayuan nila na.
Tinayuan nila. So, donation siya from the good people of the Republic of Korea. ROK.
Yung bakay niya galing din Korea? Ano na? Pero dito na dito
binatbat. Binatbat. Okay, antayin lang natin magbukas. Sabi mga around 9 o'clock pwede nang pumasok dyan. So antayin lang natin siya magbukas. For the meantime, enjoy muna natin yung scenery dito. So this is Rizal Park, Maria Orosa Street. Andun yung statue, Dr. Jose Rizal. Happened so many times.
Never
So ito na, pasok na kami ni Matt dito sa area ng Rizal Park. So lapitan natin tong National Museum of Anthropology. Diyan mo na, ano? So lapitan natin to. Etong mga buildings na to, twin buildings yan sila. National Museum of Natural History and National Museum of Anthropology. So neoclassical buildings. Alright, former names ng building: Department of Finance.
Agriculture and Finance.
So ito yung Building of Finance, and yung sa kabila, Building of Agriculture. So nung pre-war, di ba? Pre-war.
Hindi namin alam bakit pinagdikit nila yung finance pati agriculture. Pero nagkakalutuan na nila.
So ayan, ayun, meron pang mga work in progress din. National Museum of Anthropology. Ito yung napasok natin na may library.
Ito ba yun?
Yun, may library. So neoclassical buildings again, built during American occupation. So hindi lang sana dapat yan, di ba? Dapat meron pang ibang meron pang
design niya parang sa Washington DC na
so ito talaga yung capital. I-reflect natin yung capital.
Unless naging Los Baños ang capital sa kay David. Right, so itong area na to is, alam ko, fully administered na siya ng National Museum. So itong mga vacant areas na yan, magiging mga museums pa yan. Yung dating relief map, no? Giant relief map ng Pilipinas nandyan. So wala na siya. Andito ba yung dati?
Ito yun. Ayan yun.
Ay, ganoon?
Di ba? Dito yan. Yan. Kasi kitang-kita nun sa sinira na. Binakbak. Children's Playground. Natatandaan mo.
Ay, may hipo doon.
Children's Playground. Wala na din. Wala na siya. So yung vacant areas, magiging museums na rin yan. Since administered na to ng National Museum mismo tong area na to.
titingnan namin itong National Museum of Natural History. So during the renovation ng Natural History Museum na yan, or dating Department of Agriculture building, merong na-recover na mga kalansay.
Saan?
Diyan.
Sa loob niyan?
So mga Japanese fighters yata yun.
Kailan na yun?
Around 2018.
2018 to? Nakabaon dyan sa loob?
Nagkaroon ng parang soft opening noon 2019. So nakapasok ako niyan dyan. Nag 3-day docent training ako sa National Museum for so yan. So actually parang twin building lang siya na ito. Yan.
Lapit tayo.
Lapit lang yan. Sira to yung mga buildings na to pagkatapos ng Battle of Manila. Wasak na wasak yan sila. So rebuilt post-war Philippine Rehabilitation Act. So ito, hindi lang yan yung pati itong Manila City Hall, yung dating legislative building, mga rebuilt structure sila. Yan. National Museum of Natural History, formerly the Department of Agriculture building. So pat naging tourism, ito rin yata yung Department of Tourism nun. Mga 70s, mga ganun, 60s, 70s. Ito rin yung Department of Tourism nun.
Traffic ka na dito?
Yeah? Same lang. So napuntahan nyo na yan. Right, next stop natin is yung Legislative Building. So yan yung malaking neoclassical building. Na kami dito sa may Maria Orosa, and then pupuntahan na namin yung Legislative Building, which is sa other side lang din ng kalsada na to. So yan ang Legislative Building mismo pre-war. Andyan na siya sa mga 1930s. Tatanaw na siya. Siya yung pinakamalaki na structure dito na makikita sa Manila, which is ang design niya is neoclassical.
Manuel Luis Quezon of Baler, Province of Tayabas, having been elected and proclaimed President of the Philippines, hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully and conscientiously fulfill my duties as President of the Philippines, preserve and defend its Constitution, execute its laws, do justice to every man, and consecrate myself to the service of the nation. And I hereby declare that I recognize and accept the supreme authority of the United States of America in the Philippines, and will maintain true faith and allegiance thereto. So help me God. Sure, I'm not going to sign here. Huh?
Wow. After so many years, mga 2016, 2017.
Sa invite na modify lang.
May mga folding yata yung dala natin.
Hindi, yun. Yung malaki, yung yellow din.
yung, ewan ko yung isa, baka nga yung matanda ko yung isang bike. I-ano mo na lang dito sa picture.
Ayan. So dito kami ngayon, Legislative Building. Pre-war building yan, before Second World War. Actually, na-witness niyan yung inauguration ni Quezon, President Quezon. Siya yung unang president na in-inaugurate dito. So yun yung Senate building. Yun yung main function ng building na yan before siya naging National Museum. Ikot lang kami ni Matt saglit. So, ito yung mga plaques na makikita dito sa National Museum. Actually, yung first Constitutional Convention, dito naganap yun. At ito yung marker niya. So, July 30, 1934 to February 8 of 1935, si Claro M. Recto ang president. And nandito yung mga iba pang mga delegates. So, mga pangalan ng mga delegates yan dyan. Actually, meron dyan na kasama sa amin sa may Bicol. Hanapin lang natin siya. May picture ako nun eh. So, tala natin. Nandito sa kabila. Ito yung mga markers in Tagalog, pambansang museo, and also sa pang marker in English naman, Old Legislative Building. 2010 yung installation ng marker. This one, mas matanda na siya, 2001. Pretend it's Nuremberg. Pretend it's Nuremberg. Serious Mania, President Serious Mania. Ayan. Statue niya. Right, so dito na lang natin muna tatapusin yung episode natin for History by Bike. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is History by Bike, and we're signing off from the National Museum of Fine Arts in Manila. Thank you very much.